Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. My name is Janelle and I am the owner of Soy True Candles. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a few of my must-have when you're starting a candle business. I actually just launched my candle business a few months ago in October of 2022, so I'll be sharing with you guys some of my must-haves. So the first one is a wax melter. You need something to melt, something big enough for you to melt a big amount of wax, because it will save you a lot of time. Whenever I was testing candles and fragrance and basically my whole testing phase and learning how to make candles, I was doing the double boiling method, and I feel like that's fine when you're testing, but I feel like for you to be able to make a lot of candles in a short amount of time, you do need a wax melter. The one that I have is called DigiBoil. It's a little bit more expensive. It's like 200 and something, but they do have a cheaper alternative, which I think is the Crock-Pot. But I decided to go with this one because I figured, like, if I'm gonna spend money on buying a wax melter now to begin with, I might as well just spend it on the one that I really want, which is this one, because it's bigger and yeah, because it's bigger. And the next thing would be a heat gun. I actually got my heat gun whenever I was still in my testing phase, only because I use it for many things. I actually use the heat gun often when I'm making candles. I use it to smooth the tops, not only just to smooth the top, but also once your wax melts, some wax stay on the wick and I don't like the look of that, so I use my heat gun to kind of just melt that down and make it look nice and neat. And also I use it whenever I'm making candles to warm up my pitchers. So the heat gun comes in handy whenever you're making candles for more than one thing. Next will be packing supplies. So basically, if you're gonna ship your candles, you need boxes, you need peanuts, you need bags. How are you gonna ship your candles? Or if you're gonna be doing free delivery, you need bags to put your candles in. All that stuff, I find it to be a must-have whenever you are starting off, because that's something you need to have ready. Like, what if you launch a business and you get an order and you're just gonna give them the candle? No, you have to be ready. Or something that I would recommend is don't go crazy on buying a lot of like shipping stuff. USPS actually have free boxes that you can just order online and you'll receive them at your house, like these. So you can actually get these for free. And also, as for peanuts, when you're ordering things from all these candle suppliers, they actually, everything they send to you, they send it with peanuts. So from now on, I just keep the peanuts. I just collect the peanuts, and you don't really, if you start doing that with every order that you make, you will have peanuts to whenever you have to ship your candles. So you don't really have to worry about, you know, buying peanuts and stuff like that if you just start collecting it from the orders that you make. So yeah. And the next thing will be a shipping label printer. Now, whenever I was getting ready to launch, I didn't have mine. I actually ordered mine right, like I think that a few days or a week before I actually launched. I didn't think I needed it because I thought I could just pack my orders and go to the post office and they'll mail it for me. I started doing some research, and it actually is cheaper and better for you to print your labels at home. You'll save a ton of money if you just do it yourself. And lastly, the most important thing if you're starting a candle business, before you even launch, you need to have inventory. So you have to make sure you have your candles already made and ready to go and ready for people to purchase. So if you have, let's say, 4 scents, you need to make sure you have at least 5 to 10, I would say 5 candles ready, cured, and ready for purchase. Now, if you make, let's say, 5 candles, you have it in your inventory, you have 5 candles in stock, make sure that you have some wax and some fragrance oil ready at home or wherever it is that you make your candles. So if you sell out of those 5 candles that you started off with, you make sure you have more supplies to make candles whenever you sell out. Alright, so that is it. That's the end of this video. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. If you have any questions, or if you want to suggest or add something to my must-have list, make sure to leave it in the comments below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.